Alright guys, thanks for joining me in another video here for SyllaFX. So in this one, I'm doing a recap video of the trade that I took earlier today during the New York session for the euro-dollar pair. This is a trade that I went ahead and took based on the entry zones that I sent out yesterday to the VIP entry zones group. So if you're not part of that group yet, so you're missing out on money here. I'm going to show you one of the trades that I actually took where I made about $1,500 off of this one. So yesterday I sent out 3 different entry zones, one for the euro-dollar pair, the dollar-yen, and the Aussie dollar. And the euro-dollar happened to be the one that actually played out exactly as I wanted, and went ahead and took that one and got a win off of that one here. So in the VIP entry zones group, as you can see, yesterday it was about 7:40 or so Eastern time that I sent out the entry zone for the euro-dollar pair on the 15-minute chart, looking for a buy position off of the 1-hour support level to continue the trend of the up movement of that price. Initially, the stop loss was at 15 pips. I was aiming for about 80 pips on that trade. I did end up adjusting that, and I'll explain that in just a moment here. But as you can see, I took a couple screenshots of the price at that time. This is the 15-minute chart of when I actually was looking for the entry zones to send out to the group. As you can see, price was currently, at least at that time, it was below the 1-hour level that I was looking for the entry zone. So I wanted price to actually go above the zone, close above it, come back down and actually retest it, and then bounce off of it to go ahead and continue the trend moving up and take that entry point there. Stop loss 15 pips, aiming for 80 pips on that one initially. So now after that, I did go ahead and share this morning. After I took the trade, maybe it was like towards London session, I believe. So well before the New York session, but I did take a screenshot of it at that time. So by the time I was able to actually share it to the group, at least to the free Discord group of the position I was in at that time, I went ahead and took the buy position there. I was already well into profit. So actually, after I saw these couple of rejections here, even though I was in profit, I went ahead and moved my stop loss to break even, just in case price wanted to go ahead and come down. Typically, when I'm looking at a trade like this, I want price to go directly into the take profit, but it kind of stagnated a bit, rejected once and twice, and after that, it was enough for me to go ahead and want to stop, eliminate all the risk, move my stop loss to break even. So I went ahead and did that. On top of that, I did also adjust my take profit to 50 pips instead of the 80 pips that I initially set out for. So if we take a look at that here, so 50 pips, this is the screenshot I took at the time that the take profit was actually hit for the 50. So this lined up with the previous highs on the previous session here for that 50 pip move. So stop loss 15 pips there, entered in at this position. There was like no drawdown on this trade at all. So this is a very good, precise trade. And let me actually show you exactly what happened right after the take profit was actually hit at 50 pips. And this was right around the time that news events was happening. There was a news at 8:15 or 8:30 Eastern, and then there was also news from the Federal Reserve. I think somebody was speaking at that time at about 1:30 Eastern time as well. So as soon as the 50 pips was actually hit on the take profit on that, price literally just started to plummet. I mean, you can see here, if I hadn't actually adjusted my stop loss to, or take profit to 50 pips, I would have gotten hit at my stop loss of break even, because remember at that time I had already adjusted that to eliminate the risk. Luckily, I hit the 50 pips, took the profit on that. So if we jump over to Forex Time to look at the pip calculator on the euro-dollar pair, typically I'm trading between like 3 standard lots and 5 standard lots. On this one, I only took 3 standard lots, so I only took about a little bit under $1,500, because I do trade with IG Forex in the US with the spreads and the fees involved with them. Well, just spreads ended up being a little bit over like maybe like $1,460 or so. But yeah, 3 standard lots, 50 pips, a quick trade this morning for the New York session. And then right after that, I mean, price just literally plummeted. And then the Federal Reserve knew at 1:30, kind of skyrocketed it back up here. So outside of that, that's what I took on the euro-dollar pair. The trade entries, the VIP entry zones for the dollar-yen and the Aussie dollar didn't actually play out. Price never actually got to those zones, exactly where I was looking to take the trades, but it did on the euro-dollar pair, and that was enough for today. A good win. Like I said, if you guys are not part of the VIP entry zones groups, I don't know what you're doing, but you're missing out on a lot of entry zones and opportunities to make easy money on these trades basically. And if you're interested in learning how I trade, how I set up my entry zones, the strategies that I use, just go to SyllaFX.com. The link will be in the description below. If you got any questions, you can even join the free Discord group and ask your questions there and kind of communicate with other traders, or just ask them in the comment below. You know, if you're watching this on YouTube, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified of new content when it's uploaded. Outside of that, one winning trade today, 50 pips, euro dollar, November the 30th here, almost $1,500. Appreciate you guys watching that. I hope to see you guys in the Discord group. Thanks for watching. Want to become a full-time trader? Start making money trading from home today with the SyllaFX VIP entry zones. Receive multiple trade entry zones every weekday for different currency pairs. You also get access to the full SyllaFX trading course, as well as live trading sessions. Go to SyllaFX.com now and join the VIP entry zones.